Haven't vlogged whole day and I want to talk to you guys about something that actually adds a value to this vlog. This vlog is not always about fun and having fun. Like I said yesterday, it's also giving some value to people who watch it or who will watch it.
Getting you were a stranger.
Working. This woman not working, and this guy is only.
Smoking until now, and you open the camera as soon as there's a cigarette.
Okay, guys, my stomach hurts. I haven't vlogged whole day because
My
I
stomach
s-
hurts.
my stomach hurts, and this guy is here because we came for a meeting. I woke up at 9:30 and came to HSR at 11:30, and we went for a meeting at 12:30 and met this guy at somewhere around there only, and we went for a meeting and we finished everything and we came back and we got, you know what I mean. Yeah, so I'm like, I don't know what to vlog today because my mood is completely off, so I'll just let Akshay vlog today.
Hi, the internet. I wanted to ask a very serious question to you guys. How do I look in this formal shirt? Please comment below. No? I want to know what you guys think. I'm like formal and all today, which is very, very rare. I think I look good today, so let me know in the comment section if you actually like it. And we also have a blondie here who's not covering her face for the first time.
Ow, fuck.
Yeah, bro, I think they know that she's blonde. They see her every day.
But still, new people who are watching my vlog should know who is she. No? Her name is Iman. You know Ip Man, you know Superman, you know Spider-Man? She's Iman.
Nah, bro. Basically, her name is spelled A-Y-M-A-N. It's not I-Man, it's A-Man. Hey! You know the
man.
You know the proper Bangalorean slang now. Hey! It's A-Man.
Man, hey.
What
do you want?
Some angle and all I took off.
The man of the A is called A-Man. The man of the A. A-Man. Okay, I think it's like too much of yeah. So
Blah blah
Bye.
blah 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 blah.
bye 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 bye.
I have always, if I've taken any work, it doesn't matter how small or how big it is. At the end, I always finish it. It doesn't matter if I don't know, I would learn it and still I would finish it because that's who I am. If I take something, I will finish it no matter what. Vlogging, I wanted to start this vlogging from my college days. The day the college opened, I wanted to start this, but I thought, okay, let's give it a time. Let me, get a bit comfortable with everyone and then start with it. But that time never came, and then I thought, okay, let this 1 year old year go away, and then let me start from the second year. And the second year came, and it just flew away. Like the whole 3 years just flew away. I still don't know how. I still feel like I just took admission in the college and I'm already graduating in like 2 months. My graduation ceremony, most probably it will be there in 2 months, and I just missed the whole timing. Like I did not do what I wanted to do at the right time. Just thinking, about what will people think and why would people think. So I just at 10 days back I was thinking, why should I not start now? I have a company, I have people around me, it would be fun. So that is what I did. I just did it. I went for it. And now as I've started this vlog, and after 9 days, after 9 continuous days of vlogging, I mean yes, it is hard. I'm not saying it is not. You have to continuously think about what to shoot, because there are a lot of things in the company going on. You can't show everything. See, the thing is, if you start something, make sure you finish it, because if you start something and if you don't finish it, you're a loser. And if you start something and you actually properly do it, you are a doer. Like, if you want to create something, it doesn't matter, just create. It doesn't have to be perfect. The all the thing that matters is you create. This is the time where you keep creating things. There's so many creations all around you. SpaceX wasn't perfect for the first time when he started. It took a lot of time to make it perfect, and even now it's not perfect. It just flies. He wants to make it more perfect, and perfect is something that you cannot achieve actually. It's like it just kills something that's good. You start creating something from a doll, and you try to make it more and more and more perfect, and at the end you just screw it up. Perfection is not always you aim. Just aim at creating something. That's what I've been trying to do, because see, I don't do one thing. I have been doing 4 things at the same time, and doing 4 things simultaneously, it's not really that easy. To near my face, I'm trying to keep it as far as possible. So all I wanted to say is, it doesn't matter if you have lost a job, you have lost a relationship. It just doesn't matter, because you'll get a better job and a better girlfriend or a boyfriend. Always work how you want. It just works in 158 different ways. So just relax. Like I was saying yesterday, yesterday I did a video on suicidal, and today I've been doing this. I just wanted to add some value to this, so I did the suicidal thing, and today I'm doing this. As I have not shot anything, I don't want to just stop making vlogs. I can add some value to this vlog by doing this kind of vlogs if I haven't shot anything the whole day. As you saw, that around 1.5 minute was all the time I got, where we had a 15 minutes time, we ate, and then got back to meeting the whole day. So I'm not well, and and still I had to go to work, I had to meet. So it doesn't always work. You need to go on, you need to keep moving on, you need to just go on and moving on, and build yourself and make yourself stronger at the end, because this is the time where you need more strength. And just keep going on, guys. Like, that's all I can say right now. Just keep moving on. Just, if you want to do something, just go for it, and don't worry about anything or anyone saying or commenting about it. So yeah, I think I'll end my vlog here, and see you tomorrow.